Not everyone's in the market for the most powerful router on the planet. Just like not everyone lives in a 5,000 square foot house with 5 kids, a dog, and a picket fence. Maybe all you need is an affordable, reliable router that fits on your mini fridge and covers your small apartment, house, or dorm room, and still lets you surf the web, Skype with family and friends, and stream the occasional movie on Netflix with ease. The router for you is D-Link's wireless N150 home cloud router, or the DIR-600L, and the best part is its ability to let you see the devices connected to the network, see web browsing history, and receive intrusion attempts via email, all while you're away from home or in class on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Plus, it's super simple to set up. Let me show you. Inside the box, you'll find everything that you need to connect your cloud router to your ISP modem or replace your existing wireless router. First, the warranty, quick start guide, and other miscellaneous information. Of course, the DIR-600L cloud router equipped with a 5 dBi antenna, an Ethernet cable, and lastly the power adapter. Now let's take a closer look at the router. On the back, you have 4 10100 Ethernet LAN ports for connecting wired devices, an Internet or WAN port, the power connector, and the reset button. On the side, you also have a WPS button. Now grab the cloud router, power, and Ethernet cable and head over to your Internet service provider modem. Connect the power to the wall outlet and then to the back of the router. Then connect the supplied Ethernet cable from the Internet port or Ethernet port on the back of the modem and connect the other end to the Internet port on the back of the cloud router. Now head over to your computer. Here we'll be using Windows 8 and connect to the wireless network named D-Link. Once connected, open a web browser and type in http://192.168.0.1 in the address bar. The setup wizard will auto-detect your internet connection, and a green status of connected means you're ready. But let's also configure your mydlink account so you can remotely monitor and block devices connected to your network. Click Configure, and you can quickly create a mydlink account with just your name, email, and password, but we already have one, so we'll just log in. And be sure to give your device a password as well. Give your router a moment to process and save the information. And now you'll see a green status of connected under the mydlink account. Now all you have left to do is configure your wireless security to prevent anyone from using your internet. Click Configure and give your wireless network a name or SSID and enable security mode. You can auto-generate a password or create your own, your choice, but just be sure to write it down as you'll need this to connect any and all devices to your wireless network. Again, give your router a minute to save the settings, and then you'll have to reconnect to the new SSID or wireless name you created a moment ago, and enter in the security key. And you're done. Now the fun part. Go grab your mobile device and launch the App Store. We're using an iPhone, but there's also an app for the Android device too. Search for mydlink and install it. Open it and enter your mydlink account information, and you'll see all your mydlink enabled devices, like the cloud router. Select it and you'll see the number of devices connected. You can block access for specific devices, see your web browsing history, turn on event notifications, like when a new device connects or new firmware is available, and other internet information. If you get the hunch that your neighbors are piggybacking off your internet, or you think your roommate is hogging all the bandwidth, you need a router that lets you easily monitor what's going on in your network without needing to be an IT super geek to figure it out. All of D-Link's cloud routers, just like the DIR-600L, let you easily monitor what's going on in your network with a free app for iOS and Android devices. No static IPs, no port forwarding, no blah blah blah. You get the point. It's super simple. Thanks for watching.